Other guests, Mr. Nambiar, we're having 3 lakh cases for the third straight row in India, over 2,000 deaths. Crematoriums even are full. There's no space even in crematoriums. We're completely overwhelmed. Yet we're seeing so much politics coming in from the BJP first.
Sarah, there is no doubt that it's a pathetic situation, especially the city where we are all living in, that is in Delhi. It's a very, very bad situation on the ground. We all get so many calls, distress calls. But having said that, the vaccination, the health is a state subject, and every state can take their own policy of vaccinating their population free of cost, and I don't think anything is wrong with it. And even if political parties are announcing it, if it can be a policy matter, and it is I don't think anything wrong in a political party saying that if we come to power, they will vaccinate with using their fund. I don't think anything wrong in that particular step.
So but then if you don't come into power, you won't vaccinate? So what is the logic? Logically, does that mean if you do not win, that state will not be vaccinated?
See, I think politics and elections are competitive, Sarah. And in competitive election process, if one party, for an example, in your with the direct Obran, you were talking about the TMC announced it and BJP announced it. In either case, the people are the winners. In any of the party comes into power, people will be vaccinated free. I think we should, at the end of the day, every citizen should be getting a free vaccination.
Will that even happen on the ground? Why did the Prime Minister have to take affront to the fact that his discussion with the Chief Minister had to be publicized? Do we not need more transparency at this point of time?
I don't think that every meeting between the Chief Ministers need not to be publicized. That is
why not? Why not? Do the people of this country, do the people of this state not deserve to know what our politicians are discussing about us, about our lives?
There are important discussions.
Especially when the Prime Minister has telecast his own speech live on numerous occasions when he's met with chief ministers. Why are the rules different on different days?
Telecasted. There are programs which can be live telecasted. There are programs which needs to be in a closed door meeting.
You're talking about election rallies, I'm sure, in the time of a